Welcome back to Nightingale, guys. We have only one mission left technically, so we'll do this last mission and we'll see what happens. So the mission is equip any iron tool. Now I don't know how much iron I do have. I don't care. I'll probably grind some more, but I think I have a lot technically. So I'll just make like a pickaxe of some kind. If I can find it. Here we go. I don't think it has to. This is a wood one. Rugged, I guess. Okay, so I just need iron things. So I'm gonna make some iron things. How would you? Hold on. How would you make? Wrong thing. Okay, I need to look at the keybinds real quick. Okay. Here's the iron. Is there any other iron? Okay. Nope. I'm gonna touch you. Whoa. What up, turnip? Welcome, welcome. What are you doing, turnip? It says equip it. Do I have to actually equip it? Okay, I'm gonna keep it equipped just in case. I'll play a couple Swifts on... Swift plays on Val? Ooh, bro's about to pop off. Good luck, good luck. I hope your games are great, bro. I would get back into Val, but it's like... yeah, I've been really iffy on shooters lately. Like, CSGO is probably the only shooter of that style that I would actually play fully through. And COD is like a given. COD is great either way usually. So let's see. Okay. Kind of feels weird because I barely play this game now, but I kind of still remember the controls slightly. I just need to start memorizing where everything is per se for I guess you could say resources, and I think that would be all good because then I can just go to that specific resource area on the different realms, mine it, and then leave without, I guess, being a lost puppy. Oh. What up, crazy man? Is that a tool of iron you carry? This is no illusion. Oh, Virginia, no fate could clutch that iron without dreadful anguish. You are mortal then, which means you are as doomed as I. Did you call me Virginia? Certainly not, though I call for her often and not always with my knowledge. Oh. Is my love. For a brief happy time, my wife, and now for eternity, an idiom saved for my lips and my lips alone. I'm sorry for your loss. As am I. My sincerest apologies. It would seem we both digress. Let me not withhold my trust any longer. The name is Edgar. Edgar A. Poe. You speak of a man 40 years gone and expect me to believe? You have earned my trust, so I must earn yours. Listen and test my words so that you might find them true. Okay. You got me, dude. I have been chained to this building since yesterday, but yesterday 40 years gone. Time is not what it was. Okay? They would not let my physical form deteriorate. They who praise the very vitality of every organ know, but Reynolds' negligence has doomed my mind to rot under his curse. Do you know the nature of your curse? Until I complete their curse story in ink drawn from blood, I will remain imprisoned, and yet I cannot write. Words blizzard around me, the chittering of teeth in my ear, and I cannot catch a single one on my tongue. Regardless, were I to capture even the briefest impetus, presently I find myself ill-equipped to perform the task. Reynolds, for all the horrors he beheld, carried a magic with him. So long as he was present, the bound remained latent and the ink never coagulated. But now I find myself without protection, utensils are ink, and Reynolds is nowhere to be found. I fear any help I could offer would be inadequate. Is it wise to involve myself in the face curse? Is there any way I can help? Kindness is ready to the cursed, an impossibility to turn away. If you are willing, fortify my prison with barricades, my soul with comforts of home, and my pen with the means to craft ink. I'm going insane? What is up, Ed? I hope you're having a good day, buddy. Why are you going insane? And perhaps I can complete their story before I relapse once more into the exquisite horror of that protective madness. Okay. That's cool. How am I start? Oh, right, because I slept. Oh, whoops. Anyways, sorry. What do I do? Build an unsprung trap. Build an ink making set. Where the fuck do I make all these? Okay, refinement. Okay. I don't remember where I built those. All I've been doing is going to school, making posters for the school's parliament, then go home, work, and write 1,200 word essays, and next week do it all again. I'm gonna freak. Bro, I feel like you need like time to de-stress. Cause holy shit, bro, you are insane. Okay, where do I totally forgot where I built those things, I'm not gonna lie. I guess I built them in the woodworking station because they're not in tools. Totally forgot where. Wait, what? Okay, I'm lost. Hold on. I need to get my bearings. Right. Okay. Oh, I need the resources to build these. Are you? Oh god. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's go back to him. Let me put this away. Can I just? It seems like a waste, but it's fine. Let's go back and place those stuff down. I need to come back for the resources anyways, so you know, I'll just carry all the resources with me. What have I been up to? So a little bit last week I was sick. Like 2 weeks ago I was sick, so that was sucky. And then before that, I just took a break. But to be fair, I went to the DMV. I got my ID. And now I'm able to just go work at wherever place I want. There's already a place I want to work that I already have planned. Oh. So it's kind of like it's already planned, you know. It's not really like, oh yeah, now I have to figure out where to work. I have to put in my application. No, it's like I already have it set. But yeah, that's really all. And I'll be upgrading my streaming setup while I work. And I don't know what else I can do with it, to be honest. I haven't really like once you start earning money, it's kind of like you know what to do because you have bills. So you know what things are going to. But let's say you don't have any bills and you just have wants. Those wants slowly turn into less wants and more like whatever, because you can have everything. Once you have everything, what are you gonna do with all that money? It's kind of like that's my mentality right now. Like I have a lot of wants, I can get them complete really quickly, and then once I do, I don't know what I want. The money will just keep stacking up, and that's fine because money's good. But it's overwhelming too at the same time. Now that I think about it, because I'll be paying the bills, and then that money that aren't going to bills are like, okay, I have. Get a house. That's what we're planning on doing. That's why I'm not like too annoyed or bothered by it, but it's still very like crazy. Okay. Where the hell do you want this? I mean, you want it's an arc building style. Son of a bitch! Oh. If I just click it enough while it's green, it'll stay. Yeah. Oh, I just need to build two. It's fine. I'll take away these. Alright, what do I need? Plant fiber? Okay. Invest long term, not into crypto? Yeah, no. I don't really like crypto anyways. Oh wait. Well, this is inconvenient. Betty, I wouldn't cut down those trees. Very inconvenient. I need to go to a different realm. Forgot every year a new massive cryptocurrency just loses all value that was once worth 5 grand. And people use crypto, like, I don't mind people buying crypto to buy things, but the fact that crypto, you buy like $1,000 worth of crypto and that's one crypto is stupid. Because then you can't transfer it away. You can't transfer it out, I don't think, unless it's a certain value. That's what kind of doesn't make sense to me. On the gut, yeah, I don't understand why people, I don't know. Maybe we're missing something. Maybe we're blind to it, but I'd rather know what my money is. It's like, I feel like crypto's just legalized gambling that is outside of casinos. And sometimes you can just get locked out of all your coins. Yeah. And it's not a physical item. It's so stupid. I'd rather have like a chip, right? That it's called crypto and it has all my money savings on it and it can go up or down, right? That's technically what it is. But if I wanted to, I can transfer in that crypto and it has the same value as like 5 grand. So you put 5 grand into it, and if you lose it, it stays at 5 grand. So it just goes up. And then you can just sell the whole coin, but you don't have access to the crypto anymore. And so you buy another one. So you just, it's continuously going up, but you don't lose much. So it stays at whatever price point you have it at. And if it goes up high, cool, you gain. But you don't lose anything. Unless you like just stay at 5,000 because it's losing so much. Then you're technically just wasting your time. Yeah, I need to come in this realm to... It's gonna be quite annoying, I'm gonna be honest. Unless I change that other realm, which would probably be better. We can play Arlo in an hour, maybe? Yeah. Let me just finish up this quest and then, yeah, I got you. No, I've been waiting. What do you want to play, Bree? Or anime, Bree. Fucking Christ. What do you want to play, anime? Ed can play with us because he's on Xbox. Roblox? Brother, that is like the only game you play. You're starting to sound like Sky and Ham. 1v1 me in Phasmophobia. Or Fort? Ed, get on Fortnite. I'd rather play Fortnite. Because new season? Yeah, I played it. I played it with, Sky and Smile. I need to build 4 unstrung traps. Brother, that doesn't do anything. They're not... Whatever. The game wants me to build it, I'll build it. Oh, tree. Okay. Make a modest simple bed. Alright. Hey, bro wants me to put this inside, so I'm gonna do that. Hey, back up. Jeez. Once 4 of these. An ink making set. I got you, buddy. An elegant dining chair. Oh. Look, since you're so paranoid, I'll put it with the traps. Okay? Make you feel better? But you have lumber, right? I'm gonna borrow this. Okay. I guess I can't. I have to use... Okay. Sure. Fine. You can take it back. Okay, so let's track all these actually. Track. Sprung. Eyes 5. Okay, um, one. All right, ink making set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just go back because I have all the resources back in my base. Man, I haven't grabbed this carved wood in a while. Okay, I was gonna make sure because I already have the plant fiber inside the. That should be okay. Alright, so first carved wood, okay. I just need what? 1, 2. Now I need lumber. I have so much lumber, I think. 4 lumber, 6 hide. 8 plant fiber, which I already did. So ingots are next. 1 hinge. And 1 fastener. I forgot what fasteners look like. This? No, that's a guard. Fasteners. Am I just stupid? Guys, I think I'm stupid. Oh, right here. Wow, I only have 1 fastener. I need more lumber. Paint. I need more paint. Oh, I have just the right amount. Wait, do I have enough iron though? I only need 1 iron, right? I need 3. Okay, well, luckily I think I have enough anyways. That's okay. Coated paper, which I would be probably making, yeah, card items, right? Yeah, I can make coated paper. All right, let's go smelt some. Let's grab this, actually, now that I think about it. 1 piece of paper. 1 glass and 1 ink. Let's grab the ink here. And the glass, I believe glass would be, right? At least molded glass would be. There's quartz. Wood potions. You know, it'd be pretty good if I knew where exactly everything was again, but I do not. I don't have glass somewhere. Oh, here it is. Is it just glass or? Oh, is it? Okay. Can they just make glass? Sorry guys, I'm like a little bit lost, I'm not gonna lie. Now all I need is iron ingot and coated paper. I'm just creating more than I need, that's just in case. And then coated paper here, right? Or is that somewhere else? Little bit confusing, little bit confusing. Oh wait, what? Do I really not have any coating? How do I make coating? Refine from cloth at refined mortar. Okay. Guys, I think I'm stupid. This is really not. Oh, actually. Doesn't matter. Alright, let's go build it. Onward! All right. Okay. What does it need? What is these? Okay. I need more of those. I'm maybe stupid. Just slightly. So I need 1 ingot. I need 4 ingots. And 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 hinges and fasteners. Okay. Then again, I need to make more fasteners anyway, so it's okay. Alright, lock in. So I need 1 iron ingot and 1 regular ingot. So I'll grab the iron ingot from up here. Or regular ingot, sorry. And I'll go make... Actually, I can grab the hinges from up here, right? 3 hinges. 3 hinges and 3 fasteners. Because I said 6 before, and that's not right. Trying to remember while I come down here. Ingot. Ingot. Alright, let's go. Oh, I got stuck. Let's read this echo before we probably finish up on top if I've done it right. January 1st. Reynolds promised a visit, which sends angst through my chest. I'm glad he is not accompanying me. I never should have made any way with my book as long as he was within reach. With his intolerable smile, which hides a truly ghastly nature, not to mention that everlasting rogue pipe that stinks of carrion carrion. Besides, I wish to be alone. It is strange that I never observed until this moment how dreary a sound that word has. Alone. I could have fancied that there was something peculiarity in the echo of the cylindrical walls, but oh no, this is all nonsense. I do believe I am going to get nervous about my installation. That will never do. I have not forgotten Reynolds' contract, signed in blood. Now for a scramble to the lantern and a good look around to see what I can see. To see what I can see indeed. Not very much with that. I had brought a pet that would have made a fine silent companion. I have written nothing of my story of the house made of light. It is still the first day, I worry. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I read that well enough to understand it for everybody, but I think Bro's just going insane. Like, honestly. I'm gonna lose it. Hey, I'm gonna lose it. Oh, wait, does this take... Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. I'm stupid, guys. Oh, wrong thing. Put the fasteners back and grab an iron ingot. Oh, actually make one, grab it, go upstairs, put the fasteners away, and then come back down. Guys, I'm stupid, I know. Don't worry. Let's just cut it to the part where I am there, because this is a lot of running back and forth, I'm not gonna lie. I also left this on. Like an idiot. Oh, whoops. Ooh, give me up. Is Betty up here? Betty? Oh, Betty's on the roof. The last piece of the puzzle. Let's hope it's actually the last piece of the puzzle. Or else I'm gonna fucking cry. The echo comes back. Like, I don't get it. The echo comes back. I can't really... Oh, lag. Music. Alone not but my wretchedness is more than I can bear. You did not say so, I know, but I feared you were deserting me, not willing, but none less surely. May these help undo the curse? My salvation, with these use I can commit opinions and speculations to parchment, and hence purge my abnormally active mind. Are you great thanks, though I can feel my lucidity waning with haste pent to parchment, but which words? Towards evening, the sea looked very much like glass. No, not glass, ichor. Yes, it's all apparent to me now. The waves awash with the viscid blood of all manner of dead. I hear them now. The steady beating of a heart surrounds you. Oh? No, it is not them. It is her. Virginia? It is my darling love, a red spectre of what was once beauty, skin sunken and stretchily sickly over cheekbones, so tight the veil could tear. I know, I feel her presence within the room, her steady heartbeat, her lusterless eyes empty, black, leaking. They leak, they drip. Not a heartbeat, a drip. Louder, louder, louder. How it pours as she coughs like spoiled blood, ichor ink. Oh, snap out of it. Bloody claw grasp at the corners of my eyes. Maleficium, destined to portal me to hell. Silently she comes, harbinger of disease, goddess of misery, queen of hearts, stalking closer with wise feet. Her pinched and sunken outline, her lips of cracked marble that leak corrupt light. Not to her light as it pours. Slap Pow. My dear friend, forgive me, I am myself again. The madness comes in fits and bouts, the lucidity shrinking as time passes. Without Reynolds here to beat back the maleficium, I fear I may be lost to disgrace for returning again, but right. The steady heartbeat continues to heartbeat. Where is it coming from? I know not where, but what? A fiendish trick of Reynolds, a tribute to my craft, he claimed, but in truth a vestige of my darling Virginia. With that, I had never written such a haunting tale. With that, I had never failed her. How did you fail her? Let your judgments be fair, my friend, and know that my actions have already brought much shame. In truth, I turned to the bottle long before my darling Virginia broke the golden bowl in her ailing S. I saw my own disease for strength, and what disease can compare to alcohol? It grows larger and intrusive until the original soul can no longer find home in the body and take flight, and yet when reason returns with the morning, carrying with it sentiments half of horror, half of remorse, the soul remains untouched, and again does it plunge into excess. Therefore, her eddy was not there in her final moments, only a soulless facsimile of the men she loved. Let's move on to other topics. How did Reynolds hold... I keep trying to say Ryan. How did Reynolds hold back the Maleficium? The ways of fate are not meant for man. Reynolds, above all, was certain to maintain that status quo. Let us move on to other topics. We may have a solution. Pity me, my dear friend. Do not withhold my salvation any longer. Go with Godspeed and blessing that you might deliver unto me my longer anticipated relief. I won't leave you waiting long. Alright. Acquire nectar and retrieve Virginia's letter from the realm vault. Okay, so where is all those? The nectar recipe can be learned from tier 3 consumables tab with the progression tab. Mysterious can be found in the bushes across the Hollowed Moor. The realm vault may be found within a certain mound in Hollowed Moor. Okay. Can I break these? So you said bushes? No. How would I know? Okay. Spider. What do the bushes look like? That's the real question. I think it's gonna have to be time for me to switch the realm over. And you said a vault. Okay. You're on fire, buddy. Oh, realm vault, like from these. Got it. Okay, so I'll leave it there because I'm gonna need to go there anyways. Where's the other bunker? Outside down here. Okay. All right. We'll find the nectar afterwards. Is this gold? Wait. Oh, it won't just be gold, actually. I just realized. Whew. I won't mine it, actually, now that I think about it. Oh. Because I'm gonna be switching over the realm anyway, so I might as well just leave it, mine it. Because if that's gold, I don't know if it's gold. It looks gold. Guys, I think it's gold. It's yellow. No, because if I can mine it, then I'll get gold, obviously. Always starving. Spiders. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Let's go. Wait, you think if I hit them with a spell grenade, they die? How do I tell this? Oh, that's not it. That's not it either. This is it. Whoa. Okay, this spell grenade kind of fire. Okay, that's not very fire. Still very, very painful. Good to know I can do that. But then... Lest I never see you more, and this letter is all that finds you. I bid you know I died blessing you. But I extend my love, my heart is heavy with fear, not for my life, which is all but lost, but for my Eddie. I have caught the smell of wine in his kisses. I'll only be a friend to him. Do not forsake my poor Eddie, lest his unhappiness and misfortune take him prematurely. Now for my heart, my life, my Eddie. Remember your words to me. Keep up your heart in all hopefulness. And I got hella points for the amount of time and amount you stream. Well, I got a decent amount. Points, 3.4k. W. And trust yet a little longer. Dearest, I will never leave you. Though I may be removed from this world with its sin and care, I will persist as your guardian angel and what gifts you have given me. I will return tenfold, yet when you cannot trust in me, trust instead in yourself. No man alive has ever had such capacity for love, devotion, and persistence in this uncongenial, unsatisfactory and grateful life as you. Continue, if not for me, then for you. Heaven bless you, for you have given life and death to your darling little wife, Virginia E. Poe. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, she died. Anyways, loot. Where's the thing that I need to be at anyways? It's, interesting. I'm gonna miss flying this far. Hey, got him. So they're purple. $5,000 tier 3 essence is fucking insane, bro. Okay, ow. Fuck you, spider bitch. Is this the one I've been to? Okay, yeah, it is. We're gonna need to go over this ledge anyway, so. Oh yeah, the gold tier. I can actually. Oops, wrong thing. Gold ore. Cool. I'll have to go to the other one too. Come up. Hello, buddy. Oh, spider. I tried to jump off the rock, but okay. I feel like I have like more gravity on me. Maybe I'm just stupid. No, that could be it. I could just be stupid. Wait. Raw food glass aromatic. Oops. Hey, where the hold on. How do you make an aromatic? Mortar station. Okay. Where's I passed it. It's over here. I just need one. Guys, I'm learning how to cook new things. You guys proud of me? Raw fruit, missile berries, flash. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm cooking. I'm like Walter White. Yep, W, let's go. Wait, I didn't turn this off. No! An hour, it's fine. Wait, I need to make 15. Okay. How do you make oil again? Fuck. Has Betty been freaking out this entire time? I want to go grab food. I got this. I need to go get more berries. Okay. What happened? Yeah. More bushes. Do I carry? Okay, I don't know if that actually gives me more. I feel like it doesn't, but. Shut up. Look at this. Ooh, I thought he was gonna swing at him, I'm not gonna lie. Stupid bitch. Goofy ass up. Ew. Icky. Made it. 78 berries. Let's grab some more. Let's see what this person, Irving. God, Irving, why do you have to be in the water, bro? Couldn't you have been on land like a normal fucking person? Hey, buddy, if you have berries, I'll take them. Oh, hey. Wait, how much do I need? Well, I bought one just now. Wait, is it the same thing? Nope, it's not. Wait, no, it's not. You scammed me. I got scammed by an NPC. Berries? Oh yeah, there's a lot of berries over here, right? I think this is a good amount, so we can head back. What are you doing? I'm finishing up a quest. I need to make nectar. I needed more berries. What about you, Ed? What are you doing? What are you up to? You doing good? What about you, Ed? Have you eaten? Let me guess. Potatoes, if you have eaten. No, it's 1 a.m. Oh, I see. Listening to Spotify this whole time. I think I'm gonna finish up my presentation and go to bed because I gotta wake up literally in 5 hours. Yeah, get some sleep, buddy. Hit me up tomorrow if anything. I'll be available tomorrow. Depends on what I'm doing, but I'll most likely be available, alright? Alright, good night. Have a good night, Ed. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh. Wait. Fiber. I feel like food consumables oil does not belong in here. Let's see. Aromatic. Guess it's a consumable. It's a raw consumable. It uses other ingredients to become a full product. I know you guys didn't hear it, but I muted myself when I sneezed. Alright. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. That actually jump scared me. Holy fuck. I'm just gonna keep running. I don't care. That was not... Dude, my chest hurts. That was not fun. What the fuck? It just came out of nowhere. Fucking rats. The dispel grenade is fucking fire, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know if I can make it. But I do have it. Through the trees. Can you guys tell that swamps are my least favorite realm? I've said it once in like plenty of episodes, but it's actually my least favorite. It's terrible. And that thing keeps popping up. I already looked at it. The moment the beating ceased, I knew not how to feel. In one cup, yeast, another sorrow. Tell me, from which should I drink? I think you'll find your answer in this letter. It's from Virginia. My Virginia? It cannot be. If I am 40 years old gone, she is 42. And yet, it is. As surely as I am cursed, this is her hand. Her words. Her forgiveness. She truly loved you, Poe. Ours was a love that was more than love. Oh, how could I have forgotten? I see it now, though I cannot see it before. The light did not but reveal my shortcomings, yet the truth hid all along within the darkest moments of my past. Though I failed her, she never could fail me, and yet, despite my failings, she thought the same for me. I know what I must do, though I cannot conceal that nervous, very, very dreadful nervous I had been and am. Believe in yourself, Will. Your faith in me is humbling, as it is touching, and yet, pages they would have me feel would run feral with truths no man should hold. Affliction would consume the thoughts of all who read them. I, a vessel of misery, am the only mortal fit to carry such a burden, and encapsulate those words of despair into the echoes of hope that sow the evade fae. I will not serve their purpose, but I will write. I shall not keep you longer. Your kindness and light on the shore of this bleak and solemn sea, you braved so brick and grave to turn this craven hero. I'll not soon forget you, my brightest, the most unselfish of all who ever loved me. So long, my friend. Tread carefully through the gloom. Farewell, Poe. I wish you the best. Let's go! New unlocks. New magic items. I actually don't know what the new magic item is. What the... Am I stupid? Where would it be? Oh, turn. Charm of the Raven. The charm grants an upward boost when initial. Ooh! That's a neat. Why are you just standing there? Menacingly! Alright.
It is a dangerous gambit, meddling and meddling in the contracts of Fae. denizens of the House of Light, more so than any. Once entangled, it becomes most difficult to extricate yourself from such sanguinary webs. The man you would aid has been claimed by one possessed of greater power than you could ever dream. I hope you considered well the risks before committing to this course.
Yeah, I think I'm helping a man cursed by your dumbass or people is worth, you know, put him up. Freedom. Oh. Freedom. Is that all? Is that all the quests I could do? Guys, I finished the game. I don't know if I actually did. You know what? We'll know if we actually finished the game. All right, swords. Okay. I guess that's all, actually. Now that I think about it, I completed the game, technically. There are no major quests. So, I'll leave this episode here, guys. I'll figure out what to do, because, honestly, I have no idea. Might build some more bases, who knows? Oh, wait, did I get it for free? Ooh. Okay, hold on. Before we leave it off. Wait, do I have it on? Oh, I don't. Wait. Oh, you know what? I don't have it. That works. Wait, let's try it out, guys. Oh, yeah. Hey. What are you guys doing? Harassing the poor deer. Anyways, guys. Anyways, guys. All right. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. Betty, come say Betty? Okay. Anyways, she's stubborn. I'll see you guys later.